Viewers and subscribers, Beenie Man, Vybz Kartel and other artists sends a warning after Jasmine Dean was reportedly missing. Spice, Popcorn and other dancehall artists react to coronavirus in Jamaica. And Sika Rhyme sends strong words of encouragement to the youths them at Dunoon Technical High School. Alright viewers and subscribers, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the dancehall artists them reacting to the whole coronavirus in Jamaica. You see me people, so it says coronavirus creating stir in the dancehall community. It's official, the COVID-19 outbreak caused by the novel coronavirus has hit Jamaica. Just yesterday, news broke out of the first known case on the island, the first being a female assumed to be in her 50s. The woman traveled from the United Kingdom to Jamaica on March the 4th, but wasn't diagnosed until some time after. It is alleged that she was experiencing symptoms while she was staying with family in Bull Bay, St. Thomas, and was witnessed attending a funeral where several attended hugged and consoled her for the loss of a loved one. It doesn't take a genius to figure out that the woman has obviously infected several other people already, and those numbers have perhaps multiplied by now. Bull Bay, being on the outskirts of Kingston and St. Andrew, has made residents in the area quite worried and concerned, including the dancehall artists who reside there as well. These include celebrities like Spice, Popcorn, Aishana, Vybz Kartel and Cecile, among others, all of which have gone on their social media to share their concern in one way or the other, or to make light of the coronavirus outbreak, which has also affected popular events on the island. For instance, on Instagram yesterday, Aishana posted a selfie showing off her blue bedazzled face mask while taking a flight. She added more supporting photos and a clip to show that she wore it through the entire flight and airport as well. Many of her comments on her feed, however, stated her efforts were fertile. One fan said, "That mask ain't gonna protect you from anything, sis. Kiss me teeth, waste of time. If you're not sick, why wear a mask?" Maka Diamond also took to Instagram to share a video of herself advising everyone to start eating healthy in efforts of building up their immune system during this highly contagious period. A more protective Popcorn in his post demonstrated how he takes precautionary measures. The DJ can be seen suited up in a long sleeve jacket complete with hoodie along with the fixings of a balaclava mask which covers his entire head and the lower part of his face in his safeguarding demonstration. He says, "Yo, one thing me a telling you, this coronavirus thing I get out of hand, me nah left my mask no matter where me I go." Spice simply reposted a funny meme on her Instagram page, poking fun at the general masses that said, "Now that everyone is washing their hands, this week we will discuss washing your ass, feet and your armpits." Despite his incarceration, the world boss made an inconspicuous mention of the virus as well. In his post, Kartel shared a video of partygoers chanting the lyrics to his 2009 single, Last Man Standing, but the caption was what really held relevance. It said, "You can't catch me with corona, you have to catch me with a red stripe or a Tropicana. One thing though, me have a million sanitizer, 100,000 water per veranda for the boy." At a first glance it appears he's just doing a poetic ramble, but at a closer look at the teacher actually reworded the lyrics to his recent hit Tony Montana, replacing the text to replay his reproach on the coronavirus. Artists like Cecile are taking a more serious approach. The Jamaican Sing J posted a flyer for a digital town hall hosted by the Ministry of Health and Wellness with the caption saying, "Listen live on Facebook to get more info on this whole situation." Even celebrities abroad are buzzing about the virus. Cardi B, however, is on high alert. The rapper has made a couple posts regarding the shocking outbreak so far. On one IG post, she said she will say hi to Santa Claus for everyone because it looks like she will be moving to the North Pole to escape the effects of the COVID-19. So yes, viewers and subscribers, that's the way the artists them say, well, this is some kind of take it in a jokingly manner, but them still kind of send a message out there, you see me? Just like how Vybz Kartel reworded is Tony Montana, just for kind of suit the whole coronavirus situation, you see me people? But a lot of persons, me go tell you this, when I wear the mask, I not even think you're supposed to wear the mask unless you are sick. You understand? And you know want to spread the virus and thing. But them as Jamaicans, I do the thing backwards. We are wearing the mask and nothing wrong with way. I want me see put out, so I don't want nobody come tell me say how foolish this me attack. Check the internet right now and you will see what me attack about. But anyway, people, on a serious note still, this coronavirus thing, it reach 2 people now them say get infected. So we really have to start take precautions, and that is 2 cases where we know of. We don't really know. Maybe, it might be all 50 people and we not even know. So we just have to take our necessary precautions. You see what I say? Because at the end of the day, you don't know, say, if you have underlying illness, it kind of affect you more, you understand? If you have heart problems, if you have problems with your liver, lungs or anything like that, yeah man, that means that certain things were supposed to help you fight off this bacteria or infection virus. It now go be functioning 100%, so you kind of stand a higher chance of losing your life, you understand? You must lose your life, but me just say, so people, if you have any underlying sickness, you have to just be careful. And even if you don't have no underlying sickness, just be careful out there, because, nobody no want to catch this thing here. So we just have to play our part. Nobody hug up nobody talking on nobody's face, nobody shake nobody's hands. And the most can do that for a while till this thing wear off. Because from what me hear, the coronavirus, it don't like sunlight. And I kind of hear so the virus kind of died down in China right now, you understand? So, I don't know people, that's why I'm here say like places like, I think India, to all the heat over there so stay, it kind of hard for the coronavirus spread, you understand people? Yeah man, but, me not really too knowledgeable 100% on this, but I'm just telling a little stuff what I know. If you have any knowledge, when I leave out, you can just leave it in the comment section, but we have to just stay safe. And everybody react to it. Nobody no want to catch it. Everybody have, family members who might in a age. It also affect people who are elderly. You see me? If you're in your 80s, 90s, then you have to try to stay as far as possible from that. You understand? And as from what me I understand, it not really trouble kids like that. You see me? So all the 10-year-old, 11-year-old, it not really bother them like that. Them will show, them will have it in a zine, but them not show no form of symptoms, none at all. You see me? It just eventually just go away. But either way, people will have to take as much precautionary measures as you can. I'm not trying to say when I go out, they go act super perfect, because it's kind of hard to do that, but just stay safe. Alright, so moving on to the next topic. So now more want to talk about Sika Rhymes, the Gaza VP, you understand, Vice President himself, show up at a school named Dunoon. And basically Sika Rhymes, they motivate the youth them. And me definitely have to talk about this, because me respect the artists them, we go reach out to the youths them and show them, say, here you have to build yourself, you have to be confident in a certain things where you do. Because a lot of these school youths, them, me are telling people, them look up to them artists, a lot of them see Sika Rhymes, Vybz Kartel, Bounty Spice, them want to be like them. So it's a good look when an artist reach out to some schoolers and talk to them and them thing, you see me? So as me say, Sika Rhymes was at Dunoon, and me have a small clip for show now, where him basically I tell the youths them, say, yo, build on yourself and them thing there. And Vybz Kartel even react to Sika Rhymes visiting Dunoon, but me soon showing all of that, as well as a caption that Sika Rhymes put up. So listen to the message that Sika Rhymes had to tell the youths them at Dunoon.
But me put my pride aside and build my confidence, because confidence is a lot more than what we think it is. I just want to the elder said, what they have to the under 16 money to put up them on, isn't it? That's confidence, lack of confidence, isn't it? And if I have them think the upgrade, I build myself, brother. Nobody can build myself for me, isn't it?
So yes, people, you don't know say Sika Rhymes, as me say, is a ghetto youth, so he ma pass on the right message to them, you understand? Cause enough struggle Sika Rhymes face, and you don't know say the other day him they get shot and him recover now. So I love the role where him a play, I love the part where him a take, you see me? So anyway, after Sika Rhymes post up that video, him say, a day at Dunoon Technical High School, the Gaza VP went to talk to the youths them about life and how I want them to stay focused in school. You see me? so Sicko Rhymes I make the youths them know say stay focused, stay in a school, don't be a fool. You know Vybz Kartel always I tell the youths them say stay in a school and don't go follow certain company. As you man say people. Anyway, Vybz Kartel posted a picture of Sicko Rhymes basically reasoning with the youths them, and the caption for that Vybz Kartel say Sicko Rhymes reasoning with the kids at Dunoon Technical High School today. Superman settings, you understand people. So Vybz Kartel basically end Sicko Rhymes attack to the youths them, because as me say Vybz Kartel is a man who care for the youths them, always tell the schoolers them the right thing. So me definitely have to endorse this 100%. So Sicko Rhymes, big up yourself. And since we talk about Sicko Rhymes and Vybz Kartels have a song named Like I'm Superman that reached 1 million streams on Audiomack, and you know Audiomack is a streaming platform. So me have to say congratulations to Sicko Rhymes and Vybz Kartel, 1 million streams. And you know, so this is not new to Vybz Kartel, you see me, but it's a good accomplishment for Sicko Rhymes. So you don't know, so Sicko Rhymes always represent for the Gaza in the right way. We even see the other day him carry Ayakteen for go visit Vybz Kartel, as all man say people. So it's a good luck, and him a do what him supposed to do. Hopefully him get the big break where him want for 2020, and you don't know, just continue for the way him a do. Now viewers and subscribers, leave in the comments and make me know what you think about this. Alright people, so the last topic what I want to talk about is Beenie Man and some other artists basically I speak out for Jasmine Dean. And for those of you who don't know who named Jasmine Dean, is a female who missing from the University of the West Indies. Well, she attend the University of the West Indies, and she's missing for a while right about now. And she's also visually impaired, and basically what me hear is that she can't see without her glasses, you understand? So if you take off her glasses, she can't see nothing at all. Now her father came out and, you know, the man break down people because the man miss him daughter, you understand? Just imagine you have your daughter in your send her to school and she not come home, none at all, you understand people? So boy, it's a very unfortunate situation, but may I come show you, even Vybz Kartel react to it as well, but this is what Beenie Man said. As a father, I feel this on a different level. Jano, man just a pray for the best and hope she turn up soon. Jaja, watch over this family. And you can even see TJ comment underneath it and say, Jano star, kiss me teeth, shake my head. Even Gage posted her on his Instagram and say, let's help find her. Don't like our comment, just share and post, please. So basically, Gage don't want nobody if you like the post. I understand what I say, because I don't think you can turn off the likes on Instagram. I think certain things you should be able to can turn off the likes for, because this is not really something for like. You understand what I say, people? But anyway, Vybz Kartel posted up the video with the father attack, and him say, every rapist for dead, coulda even my own brother. Some of own boy nothing exist on earth, or no mother P curse. You understand? And boy, you can see even Sean Storm comment and thing, people. So Vybz Kartel upset, and he must say, yo, every rapist for dead people. You know, say Vybz Kartel always about out them type of people there, you know. This is not new, as well as a lot of other artists are burn them out as well. Now, Ayakteen said, I can't imagine being in his shoes. Help him find his daughter. If you see her, say something. So Ayakteen have a daughter, you know, people. You understand? So, you know, him can't imagine a lose fame daughter, which a lot of us would have feel the same way how this father feel. You see me? And before me even go on, me go run the video just in case someone wanna never see it. So watch this clip of the father speaking out.
I can't live right now without her. And no man not give me no justice. I'm going to talk, people attack. People can't give me no food right now, you know. And the first night she missed, I don't see her from the night. Yo, I can't sleep, you know. When I cook, I can't eat, and I can't share 3 or 4 plates I share. And when I share, that time let me feel it. When I go share food. And my sister, I don't know where she there. I don't know where she there, you know. Because they even do her, they shoot her out when I get her. If you do her, you know, shoot her out. You rob her, you rape her, but you shoot her out when I get her. What kind of style that, I don't know. So I say, but them man need to tell me when
Yes, people, so only hear how the father feel. May I tell you the truth? Very touching, you know, very touching mood and everything. And we say right now, them put out a reward of $350,000 for her. So if you don't have any information, just speak up. May I tell you now, because It's not nice to lose your daughter, man, and the father need closure. The only thing me I hope him not get the type of closure where you know me I talk about people. Me no want come back and talk about no say she rate, you understand? Me not even want to talk it out of my mouth, but you're not supposed to know me and say the next time me I talk about this, me supposed to start telling you say, yo, them fine her, she alright, and them all the man them with the responsible. You understand? A positive things me I think about right about now. But people, leave in the comments and make me know when you think about this. And also make me know when you think about Vybz Kartel and the artists them I react to the whole coronavirus thing what going in Jamaica. And also make me know when you think about Sika Rhymes visiting Dunoon and giving the youths them some motivation. You see my people. Anyway, don't forget to go follow my page, my Facebook page. I'm going to put the link in the comment section. So just click the link, go over there and give me a support.
You can't forget a Lysol for buy. That me I tell you now. Man can't forget a Lysol. Can't forget a hand sanitizer. I know the pussy clot that go on. Here. I can't get a hand. Yo, a Jamaica I come from. People not that clean out there, so. Every hand sanitizer done. Every bumbo clot Lysol. Lysol done. I'm a fool. Think I'm a fool. I'm not depend that. Like bumbo clot. If you can't get look a Lysol. I think as Lysol to pussy clot. I can't believe. And I'm telling you this. No way in a town have no Lysol. You hear me say? Yo, as a matter of fact, let me make sure I really do. No way in a Jamaica that have no Lysol I sell right now. You see me? Oh the fuck tell the people let me say a Lysol cure this thing here or what go on? What go on with that sitting there? Because brother, I can't get no Lysol. But you also know so Lysol spray around my house and make your house smell good. Bruh, I can't get nothing. Nothing. Pussy clot. I lucky me get like a bleach. I lucky me get like a bleach to buy. They never show no what them sell me for hand sanitizer. Come like the man them start scam all the hand sanitizer them already dog. One smoke I'm afraid to move my mask. So this morning me have here, see? Me in the bathroom this morning, so me will wash off. So I show roach. So I say roach what go on. Time for do road and rail. The roach make one long sigh, why? And I say roach what go on. Roach just say there. I say what there? Roach just say yo. Corona there. I say corona there. What do you mean corona there? Coronavirus there, somebody come from England with you. So, me is a man now, through me smoke, me always up like every window in my house. You see me? As me hear say that I go on, me just run out of the room and start lock down the whole place. You see me? Spray up something when I have, when me look at thing for spray. You get me I say? You can't do this. Come here and say, yo, just so, just pull up and whistle. Bro, man can't get nothing for buy.